So are you suited to be a jewelry designer? Jewelry has a distinctive personality. They tend to be artistic individual, which means they are creative, expressive, and innovative. Does it sounds like you? If you want to try yourself, take a paper and pencil and try sketching something out of your imagination. Uh, it's a very easy task. And I'm sure you know yourself if you're creative enough. We all have imagination in our mind, and it's all about that imagination putting on the paper and expressing your ideas to the others. That's what it is simply. So, learning of the basic of jewelry designing, what are the important uh, points to learn the jewelry design program jewelry designing? Type. So we need to know few important points. That is type of jewelry items, um, which is like what type of jewelry items are worn. If we talk about India's, where I am from, we have a jewelry, I believe more than 50 plus different type of uh, pieces like earrings, necklaces, pendants, rings and bracelet, etc. Like there are a lot, but majorly worldwide, we very common is a necklace set with the earrings and the ring and the bracelet, small pendants, and anklets are also very popular nowadays. Uh, these are the very important and the basic pieces of jewelry which we design day to day, and most of them are used in the world by the people. The next point is the variety of jewelry materials, different metals and gemstones. So variety of metals, a jewelry designer needs to know what type of metals can be used for the design, what type of gemstones, how many varieties of gemstones are there, or what other material could be used for the design. There are a lot of brands and a lot of designers. They use ceramic, they use leather, wood, and enamel, and the silk, cloth, and fabric are also used in while designing the jewelry. So to be a good jewelry designer, we need to know all these materials which are possible to use, and what is the best way to use those products, because all the products, they have their own properties, own style, own uh, look. So we as a jewelry designer, we need to know what material will suit our design and what material will be uh, good to manufacture also. Because if we design something which is not practical or which is not useful to be worn, uh, that's not a good design. Yeah. So this is a very important point. The next is equipment and supplies of the create for creating jewelry. So we can create a very nice design and we know the materials and everything. So at the same time, to bring out our product, we need to know who are the suppliers for the particular product, and and what type of the tools can be used to create, to manufacture that particular design. Not everybody have a facility to manufacture their own product, so they go with their design to the other manufacturers who can create their design, who can manufacture their design. Me as a journalist in my company, we do a lot of manufacturing for different designers who doesn't have a manufacturing sources. So we provide them manufacturing sources. So there are companies who does the similar job. So we need to know, as a jewelry designer, you need to know uh, where you can manufacture your product the best. So these are the three major topics uh, which is important for the jewelry designing. The type of the jewelry, what are the what type of jewelry we are going to design. In that design, what type of the material we're going to use, and for the material that we're going to use, we need to know the suppliers and the manufacturer. These are the very important topic.